every great story begins with a seed. For Redbib, that seed is our vision to connect farmers, chefs, nutritionists, and communities, creating a farm-to-table movement that's as fresh as the food we deliver. But bringing that vision to life needed something revolutionary. Enter Selldone. Our farmers grow the food that nourishes us. Our chefs turn it into unforgettable meals. Our nutritionists craft personalized plans that change lives. And our nonprofits ensure everyone has access to fresh, healthy food. Redbib makes their work easier, and Selldone makes it possible. Before Selldone, building Redbib was like trying to grow a farm with no water. We spent years creating custom systems. Then, we discovered Selldone, the entrepreneur's dream toolkit. In just 3 months, what took us years was rebuilt with smarter, faster, and more powerful tools. With Selldone, Redbib is more than a marketplace. It's a platform where farmers can grow their brands, chefs can expand their menus, and communities can discover fresh food, all without the technical hurdles. Selldone's tools empower our vendors to bring their dreams to life. Our partnership with Selldone goes beyond technology. It's about feeding the future, helping vendors thrive, customers connect, and communities grow. Together, we're making farm-to-table more accessible, more efficient, and more impactful than ever before. With Selldone, Redbib isn't just a business, it's a revolution, a farm-to-table future built for everyone. Visit selldone.com to see how we're making it happen.